Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to play Piano Man on electric guitar using an easy method. We'll start by mastering the iconic verse chords. These fundamental shapes are the backbone of the song. Pay close attention to your finger placement and strumming rhythm. Getting these basics down will make the rest of the song much easier to learn. Let's dive in and get those fingers moving. Now that you have the intro, let's solidify the verse and chorus. The verse progression is a classic C, G, a minor, and F. For the chorus, we introduce a D minor chord right before the G, adding a nice emotional lift. Remember to keep your strumming consistent, aiming for 4 strums per chord. This repetition builds muscle memory and helps you internalize the song's feel.
Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this guitar lesson, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. Quick recommendation. If you're thinking about your financial future, check out *The Simple Path to Wealth*. It's a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, much like learning a new song can change your playing. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
The harmonica solo is a signature part of Piano Man. We can adapt this melody to your electric guitar. Focus on playing the main notes on a single string like the G string to keep it simple. Experiment with slight bends to mimic the expressive quality of a harmonica. Don't worry about perfection. Capturing the essence is key. This adds a cool, recognizable touch to your performance. To bring Piano Man to life, let's refine our strumming and dynamics. A basic down-down-up pattern works well. Think about how the song builds and recedes and try to match that with your strumming intensity. Playing softer in the verses and louder in the chorus adds depth. Emphasize those downbeats to really drive the rhythm forward. You're doing great.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.